Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamad Sabri, and today we are going to check the authenticity of the date, time, and after that we have opened the company on YouTube channel. So we will analyze the date, and we will check the opening date of the company. So we will verify the opening date of the channel, so no one can claim over us. So the company name is Parak Aircraft, and we are in Pakistan, and the city name is Karachi, and we manufacture non-conductor aircraft which are not visible on any radars in the world, no matter they are Americans or others or Israeli or Indian. These aircraft are made from purely non-conductor materials, so definitely there is no way that the signal can bounce back or reflects back uh, after the incident, and it cannot reaches to the receiving radar. So that's the whole story behind the manufacturing. So first we will discuss about the authenticity of the date and time. So I press this, and the time is now, which is showing as per Google Live system. This is showing Saturday, today Saturday, and 18 December 2021. So here we have checked. We will again check this date, time in Pakistan. So again it tells the same result. Saturday, 18 December 2021. So this is now verified. Okay, the next step is, after this we will check the uh, Parak Aircraft channel. So here are no videos because I have just opened this channel today on 18th December 2021. So customize channel, basic info. So here's the basic info about the channel. Parak Aircraft. Parak Aircraft means Pakistan Anti-Radar Aircraft Corporation. PARRAC, Parak. और उर्दू में हम इसको पार्क कह सकते हैं या पारक कह सकते हैं, पारक एयरक्राफ्ट. तो हम इसको पारक एयरक्राफ्ट से इसका नाम हम याद करेंगे, बोलेंगे, लिखेंगे सब जगहों पर. ओके, नाउ वी विल चेक the remaining description. This is happening first time in the world in aviation history that a company is going to introduce non-conductor aircraft, anti-radar aircraft. These are full non-conductor aircraft which are not visible on any radars. The reason is because it has no metals in it, so the radar signal cannot reflect, cannot bounces back to the receiving signal radars. This is same as I explained earlier. So here's the thing. So date of establishment, yesterday was 17 December, and today and the next day I opened this channel on YouTube. So today is 18 December, and today is the opening channel date of the Parak aircrafts. So this is all I have to show you. You can also see the date over here. This is 18th December 2021. So all it is now confirmed, and further we will check. We will close this dialog box and basic info page, and after that we will sign out. We will sign out from the Parak aircraft site. Okay. So next page we will open without signing in. So here's the signing in. It is showing signing in. We are now sign out. So again we will check from a new browser page. Here's the YouTube. Okay, so we will check about the Parak aircraft because it will not show over the YouTube, because recently just 30 minutes ago I opened this channel. Okay, so PARAC, Parrot aircraft. Okay, no result found. So the first result was this one, second is G10, third is Mohsin Riaz, fourth is this one, Tomo News, Mojo Grip, Great Flyer, CBS Evening News. So this means that this name Parrot aircraft doesn't exist or not exist over the YouTube on 18 December 2021. Please clearly note Parrot aircraft name doesn't exist, not exist on YouTube on this date 18th December 2021. So we have established this company. If any other company opens in this name, that will be illegal. So please, I am going to show you also on Google as well, on Google searching. So let's open the Google page. So we will verify from here as well. PARAC, Parrot. Now when I type only this Parrot, what is this showing over the Google? Just paracetamol. So this is interesting. PARAC, paracetamol tablet. We will going downwards. Paracetamol 500 tablets. Paracetamol 37.5 mg. Paracetamol Wikipedia. Paracetamol test. Paracetamol Alcohol and Drugs Foundation. Paracetamol Health Australia. So all results are on page 1. These are all about paracetamol, especially this one on the left, on the right side. So this is the page 1, google.com, and Parrot have shown this result, right? I again press the enter button. So let you confirm. First result, WebMD, paracetamol tablet. So there is no result found about the Parrot or Parrot aircraft, right? So this is now confirmed. Again and again, I let you showed you over the YouTube as well, and also on Google as well. So this is now Parrot. Okay, let's move forward. Now we will check the Parrot aircrafts. AIRCRAFTS. Okay, when we type Parrot aircraft, no result found, and this is give the similar options over here. So there is no Parrot aircraft, powerless plane, R planes with parachute. So these kinds of other results they are showing, but not about the Parrot aircraft. As you can see, Wikipedia, Cirrus, Airframe, Airspace, MAG, BRS, Aerospace, Cirrus, BBC, but no result about the Parrot aircraft, right? So I let you confirm this, and I let you confirm also the date, time on live on Google. So I think it is enough about the authenticity and the date, opening date on YouTube, on Google as well, about the company existence and establishment date. So this is now confirmed, and I think nothing is left. So take care, please. And if you have any kind of inquiry about the Parrot aircraft, so please let me know, and I will definitely give all of your answers. But please keep in mind that these aircraft have the minimum quantity of at least 50 aircraft, not less than 50 aircraft, right? So less than 50 aircraft, we will not accept any orders. So this is very important to understand. And the price is negotiable, and we will let you know about the price in the later time when we will start to manufacture these aircraft. So this is the basic info I have to provide you on the launching, on the today's launching on YouTube. So this is all about the basic info. I think I have enough right now. So please, I have to say goodbye now. Thank you for watching about the establishment date of the company of Pearac Aircraft. Thank you for watching. Bye. Allah Hafiz.